7th grade language, week 33. Day 1, box 1. Declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Now let's go before they light the torches. Now this one is actually kind of a question that's kind of a sentence that is two types of sentence if you look at it carefully. And I'm going to talk you through this one because it is so unusual. One, it is exclamatory because of that exclamation point and because it's an exciting sentence. But two, it's an imperative because it is command. Because it is telling us to do something. It's telling us to go before they light the torches. So this is an unusual type of sentence in that it can be two types. Day 1, box 2. Make the following singular nouns plural. Neighborhood. So what is the plural of neighborhood? What do we add? Day 1, box 3. Circle the misplaced modifier and draw an arrow to where it should be located. After being busted on drug charges, a federal judge will decide whether to send the rapper back to prison. For this one, think about who's being busted on the drug charges and where that should go. Day 1, box 4. Circle the word with the more positive connotation. Cat, stray. So which one is a more positive way for saying it? Day 2, box 1. Fragment, run-on, or sentence. Remember, a fragment is when you do not have a complete thought or idea. A run-on is when you have two sentences in one. And then a sentence is when you just have your normal sentence or statement. So for this one, gave many reasons but no logical ones. Which one should it be? Day 2, box 2. Add punctuation to make this sentence correct, and there are 3 punctuation marks. Please read and follow the style guide when writing for crowdsource. Link included in every set of HIT instructions. I'm going to give you a hint. You will need to use parentheses in this sentence. Day 2, box 3. What is the meaning of the underlined word? Do not dishearten people by telling them the bad news. So what does it mean to dishearten someone? Remember, use the context clues in the sentence to figure it out, but if you're still not sure, you can look it up. Day 2, box 4. Find the word that is misspelled and spell it correctly. I can hear a distinct accent when you speak. So think of the words that you definitely know are spelled correctly, and then look up the ones that you're not sure of. Day 3, box 1. Write a synonym and antonym for the following word. Scared. Remember, for the antonym, do not put not scared. Find a word that means the opposite of scared. Day 3, box 2. Did you hear the tale about Paul Bunyan? So which tale would you use? T-A-I-L or T-A-L-E? And remember, did you hear the tale about Paul Bunyan? It's more likely referring to a story. Day 3, box 3. Complete the analogy. Microwave is to heat, as refrigerator is to... So think of how microwave and heat go together. What is their connection? And then find a word that has that same type of connection with refrigerator. Day 3, box 4. A robber steals valuables from a police station. Is it alliteration when you have the same soundings at the beginning of the words? Onomatopoeia, which are your sound words. Simile, which is when you're comparing two unlike things using like, as, or than. Metaphor, when you're comparing two unlike things without using like, as, or than. Irony, when you expect one thing but get another. Personification, when you give something not human, human-like qualities. Or hyperbole, when you exaggerate. Day 4. Circle the adjectives, and there's 1. The star-shaped kite floated through the air. Find your noun and figure out which words are describing that noun. Day 4, box 2. Circle the adverbs. Will we go to the zoo also? So find out, here's an example, how or when did we go? Day 4, box 3, circle the correct pronoun. The judge notified they, her, that she won the case. The judge notified they that she won the case. The judge notified her that she won the case. Which one would be the correct way of using it? Day 4, box 4. At this Thanksgiving dinner, each brought a plated dish to make the meal complete. What kind of word is each? Remember, if you're not sure, you can look up the word each and see what kind of figure of speech it is. Remember, if you have any questions, you can email me or contact me through LiveGrades. Have a good day!